In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see time analysis reports in Google Calendar. Whether you're scheduling meetings, planning out your work week, or just trying to manage your time more effectively, Google Calendar's Time Insights feature can be a game changer. Let's dive into how you can make the most out of this useful tool by analyzing your time usage effortlessly. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to your Google Calendar. Once there, you'll find yourself on the familiar weekly view page. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout because it's where all the magic begins. On the left-hand side of the screen, keep an eye out for a section labeled Time Insights. This is where you'll start your exploration of how your time is actually being spent. It's a subtle but powerful tool that helps you gain insights into your schedule at a glance. Once you spot the Time Insights bar, click on More Insights for a deeper dive into your schedule. This expanded view will show you a more comprehensive breakdown of your time, showcasing how much you spend in meetings and who you're meeting with most frequently. It's like having a personal time usage report, showing the tendencies you might not have realized. Next, you'll want to choose the specific graph you wish to view. Perhaps you're curious about your overall time breakdown. This option gives you a generalized overview, highlighting how your time is divided among your various commitments. If you find yourself spending a lot of time in meetings, this section makes it easy to visualize just how much of your day goes towards sitting in on those important or sometimes not so important discussions. Another graph option focuses specifically on the amount of time dedicated to meetings. If you're like many people, balancing meetings with focused work time can be challenging, and this view really gives you the hard numbers to make informed decisions on how to better allocate your schedule. For those curious about their networking and collaborations, take a look at the people you meet with graph. This option shines a light on whom you spend the majority of your meeting hours with, helping you understand the focus of your collaborative efforts. Keep in mind that these time insights are flexible and can be adjusted based on your needs. You can modify the date range to look at different time periods, whether it's your day, week, month, or even year. Simply adjust your calendar view to see insights for varying time frames and get a better picture of how your time management evolves over periods. As you can see, Google Calendar's Time Insights feature is a powerful way to keep track of time spent, fostering greater productivity and better time management. Give it a try and see how it can transform your daily scheduling habits. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.